Imagine the ultimate performance. A performance that you can rely on despite an ever-changing laboratory environment. The new Cubis II Ultra-High Resolution balances by Sartorius. This new addition to our Cubis II line of premium balances is the product of extensive redesign and novel engineering efforts. Although we cannot control the environment, we can control how we adapt to it. Spacious weighing area, robust design, and state-of-the-art engineering solutions guarantee a reliable output, making sure that your guidelines are met. Thanks to one-of-a-kind hardware upgradability, in these new generation of laboratory balances, you don't need to buy a completely new balance. Just upgrade for features like auto draft shields or built-in ionizer later when the need arises. Even basic tasks like routine cleanings are simplified with a new intuitive Cleaning QApp software. Rely on performance. Achieve your desired accuracy and repeatability results under daily laboratory conditions. Worried about performance under challenging environments? Wish cleaning was easier? Looking for a safe investment? Focus on what's important and leave the rest to us. Cubis II Ultra-High Resolution Balance. Welcome to the future.